Okay, there. After much trial and error, I was able to get the second one done. Whew, man, this is kind of hard to do. So let's put these on the same direction and slide that in. So I made the one color print of theirs just because it was a lot less plastic. And this technically 3D printed with another one of these dials. I'm guessing, does this go between them? Yeah, I think this goes between them actually. Let me put that between. They actually have probably the instructions in here. Yeah, you put one in. And I guess it doesn't really, oh wait, yeah, you can see it right there. So I'm supposed to put that little circle in between them. So I put that circle in between them to separate them out, I guess, give them a little divider between them. And then we can finalize it by pushing this last piece in, and booyah. And I guess they have a little housing unit for this, so I can put this in the housing unit, question mark? Let's see. It looks like it's like a stretch out and put it in kind of piece. Or actually, wait, am I supposed to put it in? Let me see. Do they have instruction for that? Oh, yeah. It looks like I'm not supposed to put this other side in quite yet. Let me take this part. Oh, crap. Oh, boy. Let me take the other side out. I guess you don't need the housing unit part of it, but might as well finish the design that they had in mind. Okay. Maybe I don't. All right, let's try to do this without having to, with this, the other side. So that's my fault there. Ugh. All right, there we go. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's pretty solid, I like it a lot. So yeah, that's their full housing thing all combined, one color, and it's pretty decent. It seems to lock at a certain weird angle. I don't know, that's the locking, so it actually works really well for that. Let's look. Locking, yeah, it's pretty well locked there. Got a little wiggle, but like it stays where it needs to be. Still staying at 93. The right one, maybe I just need to like wear it in a little bit. Yeah, the right one for some reason is on a weird angle. I wonder if I did it on a weird thing. 97. So I guess if you wanted to say like, or if you're playing Magic the Gathering, at least you got 40 life right here. 40 life total, maybe 41, or maybe going down to 39. It's actually pretty good. I gotta rate this one. This is a really good, well-rated one. I like this one a lot. I can see myself using this kind of design for maybe building some kind of big thing of this, and it all comes together. We'll see. I like this one. It's pretty cool.